Hi everyone, I'm sorry it's another privet in the video today. I've got a shed load of privets, so I've got a few to do. I'm just going to be pruning back some of these long shoots, get rid of the fruit, the same as the other one, and I'm going to be removing the wire. Thanks for the comment on the last video about being back. I really appreciate it, I love you a lot. So with no further ado, let's get into it and start pruning the privet. So I'm basically just going to come in and take the fruit off and whatever's just sticking up past the leaves, just something like that, because that'll not grow now, it's dead. It's just basically a bit winter tidy up of this tree. I find it the best time of year to work on your trees now, like to wire your trees anyways, because they're not going to grow that much and the wire stops on longer. As we go on, we're just checking. That's growing back, so I'm going to take that one out of there. Old knackered leaf there, take him off. This one was carved by the late Robert Atkinson, God bless his soul. There's videos further down the playlist when we've done this. The quality's not that good on the video because I'm just starting out and the picture looks a bit white. But if you want to say Rob carving this, I'll put some links at the end of the video, then you can have a look. So the likes where it's just sparse on the end there, I'm just going to come back some leaves further in. This is a good tree, this. I can't remember where I dug this up from. Was it out of a bin? I can't remember. Got that many. Privets, you just get them anywhere in the UK. It's best in the summer when people's doing the walls and they just dig them up and away you gone. Give me them, missus. Thank you, missus. This one in here is growing that way, so I want to take it back to there and force it out this way. We have a couple of suckers on the inside. Well, I'll tear them off. I'm not going to bother with cuttings because we've got shed loads. We have one in here growing straight up. I'm going to take them off. I don't want nothing that far up. It was about a 3-inch length of a leaf branch, sorry, I should say that. We'll just basically open. I'm doing all this, I'll tap the wire off and it'll just go boop. Ta-da! That's what happens if you don't cut the flowers off. It just turns into fruit and takes all the energy out of the tree. This is my fault. I should have been on the ball. It's nice to leave a few flowers on when they come in, just for decoration. But nothing as severe as this. I have a dead branch in there. Tear it off. I have the front about here. So we need to let that grow to fill in to hide this straight branch in there. We don't want a long straight branch because it looks what it is. Shit. Yeah, I won't be treating this because it's solid. And I do want a little bit natural rot into it, just to make it look a bit more. All this is dead around here, but I'm going to leave the bark on this one because, like I said, it's a nice tree, this one. It's a sad time of year seeing them dying off like this. Most of the wire's not bit in, but if I'm going to take it off, I might as well take it all off. We have some dead stumps in there where it's died back. So if you've got any trees to do, the hard prune back, I would do it now while it's dormant. Well, before it goes into the dormancy. It's the best time of year to do your hard pruning and your wiring. So like I said, you do your wiring now, it stops on longer. Instead of doing it in the spring, then it only lasts a few weeks. Far better doing it now, then it's got that bit extra just to hold the branches into place. Now the worst bit, start tapping the wire off. These branches should hold, I hope they do. Aye aye. That's find out. If in doubt, let's find out. So we've just caught it in time there. I'll bring you in while I'm taking the bit wire off and I'll show you what I mean. So I've just caught it exactly biting in there, which is a good thing because it's a good tree. All the little wire looks good. It's just mainly the heavy wire. Is it making a mark? Ah, it's starting to make a mark. See the little mark starting to come in there. So I am going to take all the wire off and just where we got like the 3. I want to take the bottom one off, take the big leaf off. So we're just trying to get it into 2, 1 into 2 into whatever as we're going. So I'll continue taking the wire off. So yes, it's all coming off. Just need to be careful we don't snap any branches. As you can see there, that's bit in a canny bit. So it's the right call to take the wire off. Good catch, Ryan. Good catch, because it'll end up like the rest of the crap if you didn't get it off. This is going to take a while. What I'll do is I'll just speed a little bit up and then we'll come back and have a look. Well, finally getting all the wire off the tree. When I repot the tree, I'll be repotting it at this angle, round about here. And when I add the wire back on next year, I'll be lifting the apexes up and dropping it down just to create a fuller apex. I nearly snapped that now. But that's it for this tree. It is a nice tree, this one. Before we end the video, Tom from Privet Bonsai sent Scott and me some more gifts over. my book from Ryan from Tom. New Horizons in Bonsai by Brian Batchelder. Cheers, Tom. I've never seen this book. We've got some little markers in here. Potting up. To the next one, let's have a look. I'm blinders and fat. Water and fertiliser. Lovely. Cheers, Tom. Thank you. And he's also sent Crip and Glow Bonsai for Seniors Cup. I do like a good cup. I've got one from work, I've got my own Horton Bonsai one. I've got Mr. Elephant on the back, his little watering can. So I will be using that. Thanks, Tom, really appreciate that. It's this time of year where I usually buy the larches, but I won't be buying any this year because I've literally got a shitload. I'm not even going to say a shed load, I've got a shitload. But if you want trees to grow, I'll give you a quick look on eBay where I get them from, then I'll post a link in the description for you. So if you just go on eBay and type in just Japanese larch and you're looking for beechwood trees, which is in Ireland, and there you can get 15 larches 40 to 60 centimetres. I usually get them every year, but like I said, not this year. I've got too many. You go for some of them. This tree looks a bit dry, but it is wet underneath. It's just where it is on the bench with the wind just blowing all the time, it's dried the top off. So we'll be going back on the bench for this year. Next year we'll get some wire on, we'll start putting a few bits of shape in it, and there's the bitch phoning, so I'll be back in a second. Sorry, I didn't mean to say a bitch, I meant to say a twisty get. She'd kill us if she watches me videos. Never mind. So that's it for this video, but as always, thanks for watching. It's good to be back, and I'll catch you in the next one.